Galaxy Note 10 Plus unboxing and tour, Droid Life. How to protect and clean your Apple Card, TechCrunch. Google Stadia continues to impress, but its success remains in question, Mobile Syrup. Apple is trying to reduce its dependence on Samsung, market realist. Destiny 2 cross-save is great, if you can get it working, GameSpot. 8 new repeating fast radio bursts offer new opportunities for insights, Astronomy magazine. Google Chrome on Android now searches images with Google Lens, Mobile Syrup. Pokémon Go – First Gen 5 Pokémon and Jirachi coming as Ultra bonuses, GameSpot. Next Gen Google Home Mini to add Nest branding and a 3.5mm audio jack, Mobile Syrup. Soyuz MS-14 to test new upgrades, ferry Skybot humanoid robot to station, NASA spaceflight.